Hello folks, Samsung has hit another milestone when it comes to software updates by releasing a major new version of Android to the public much faster than it has ever before. The Android 13-based One UI 5.0 update for the Galaxy S22 series started rolling out today and is expected to reach many markets around the globe before the end of October, bringing a lot of new features to millions of Galaxy S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra owners. Yes, the trial period is over and the official Android 13 and One UI 5.0 update millions of Galaxy users were waiting for is now here. Samsung has released the stable One UI 5.0 update based on Android 13 for the Exynos 2200 versions of the Galaxy S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra, following weeks of beta updates that allowed customers in select countries to test out the new features before their public release. For those on the beta version of Android 13, Samsung will release a small update that moves their device to the final version, while the Android 12 users will have to download a couple of gigabytes before they can make the jump to the new software. The new software update is now rolling out in Austria, Croatia, France, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Poland, Portugal, Serbia, Slovenia, Switzerland, the Czech Republic and the UK. Other European countries could get the update later today, while countries in other parts of the world could get the update as soon as later this week. You can download the new update by navigating to Settings, Software Update and tapping on Download and Install. Coming in at nearly 3 GB, Android 13 and One UI 5.0 for the Galaxy S22 series is a pretty huge update. It's got plenty of exciting new features, many of which we've covered in detail in our YouTube videos, but there are also some features that haven't gotten enough limelight. For example, did you know that Android 13 and One UI 5.0 bring the ability to use the zoom lens in the camera's food mode? The complete changelog reveals all that you need to know about the Android 13 update for your Galaxy S22 series device in excruciating detail. This is a very long list, so I'll just scroll through it for you, and later we'll do a detailed video review of all the main features, so stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, good luck to all.